you will need Windows installation files, either on USB or ISO. I have a ISO, so I will mount it, and as you can see, the mounted drive is eDrive. If you have a USB with installation files, insert it. Now, search for CMD on Start menu, and run it as administrator. Now, copy this command from description, and paste on CMD. Or just type it. Ctrl+V to paste. Now, replace your drive text with the path of your USB or ISO. Also remove the brackets. In my case, it will be eDrive. Now hit enter, and wait for it to complete. After the process is completed, you might need to reboot. Press N to reboot later, or press Y to reboot now. And we are done.